vlog. Welcome to my channel, everybody. That's Zoo Vlog လေးပါရှင်။အထက်မှာဆုံးကတော့ရေမြင်းနဲ့သွားထစ်ဖို့ပါအဲ့ဒါ Wow, so big. Hello. ဒီဒါက Christmas tree ပါဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ Christmas မဟုတ်လို့ပါ။ဓာတ်ပုံတွေပါရိုက်လို့ရတယ်။ပြီးတော့ဒါကဘေးရှိရဲ့ဓာတ်ပုံရိုက်လို့ရတယ်။နေရာလေးရလာပါတယ်။ဒီမှာ e-bike 5ပြီးစီးလေးရတယ်။ e-bike မှာတရက်ကို2ခုပါတယ်။ပြီးတော့ e-bike နဲ့သူတပင်ရှိသွားပြီးစာကျွေးဖို့လုပ်လိုက်တယ်။ဒီမှာတပင်တော့အစာလေးကျွေးနေပါပြီ။ပြီးတော့ဒီကအစာကျွေးနေတဲ့တပင်လေးတွေစစ်စရာလေးတွေ You can feed them everything you want. Look at it, guys. Beautiful. Lolita. Oh, so cute. Hey, what are you doing? You look so funny. Yeah. Wow, look at this. So, this is my donkey. Oh, it looks like a horse. Yeah, this is a giant one. So, giant sheep. That's giant. Giant. Yeah. Here là museum mà qua đi chi à ba museum mà đi đồ dinosaur đấy hiếu đi là vui lắm à hiếu đi bà xem it's so big and like so cool giờ đại ca mì trắng ba lâu tôi làm tôi à giờ nó muối nó sao tôi à bà về chào bà giờ nó tôi khử à bà mà uống đi xí à rồi bà mà toát chi bà đấy Mama tôi là uống đi chi xả đi Oh, so cute! Here was a baby upon ma. Glad old is she got it. I glad old gee. That I did to the ribbon and leave a shin. Ribbon that cheers a lead. Here, dear Mumu, you thought to be Mumu Sadri of Mame. A Sadri, you are right. Mumu, size you Sadri. Here, the maga. Come on, do ya nearly she by clear the book. Beauty ma, Daya cha, a giant man, little. It's walking side to side. Wow. Beauty ma, yow Bobby she, yow drama. Yow yama, melt the side plenty pie. The lady can leave. Along better see you in my next video. If you like this video, subscribe.